2019 Ford Ranger. I just installed the air suspension, so I can't find any video how to install it. This type. This is the brand name. Come with everything, all the hoses, the harnesses, everything. These guys. I got these. So the only reason why I bought this because I have a toy hauler. Every time I pull in, people thinking I'm using a high beam, and they always flash at me because my truck is squatting. So this is all the tools I used. That's what is 19 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 40, T40, couple of inches, 12 millimeters. This is the hose cutter. So this is how I did install. So this side I have to unscrew this bolt and this guy, two of them, and these bracket slides between these two guys, and then it was inside. This is the lower bracket. Comes with the heat shield. Okay, this guy. Up. This guy right here. This is the original. You have to. This original sits right here. You have to remove this, and this is the bolt. So then when you install the bracket, you put this bolt back. One bolt here and two more right in there. This one, another one right there. This guy, and this knot is a big one right here. I believe it's a 1 inch 1/8, 1/1/8. Let's see. That's this guy right here. Okay. So the important thing to remove this spare tire, because if I put my spare tire, I literally have no room to work. Yeah, it's like really tight in it. After I remove the spare tire, man, so much room everywhere. So this is the one important thing. So another important thing, these two brackets, the bottom one, the two different brackets. I have two different numbers, HPE 1583, but this bracket have a hole for this for e-brake line, but the difference is this bracket different angle. So first time I install it, I put this bracket on the opposite side, and the angle was changing. I'm like, something wrong here. So I read the instruction. And this bracket, only difference is have a hole for right here, if you can see it. Yeah, for this zip tie. Hold the e-brake line. But this bracket, the bottom one, so even different number and have no hole. So this is the driver's side. This is the driver's side, and it's driver's side. Yeah, it's driver's side. It has no hole, and passenger side have hole. So this is another important thing. And so after I remove the spare tire, so much room I can work. So this guy, another important thing, this brake line over here, this guy right here, it goes round. So this right here. Alright, this guy right here, it's always want to jam between frame and this bracket, so be careful when you install it. Make sure when you tighten your bolts not to squish that this brake line. Okay, so another important thing I learned by my mistake. So these bolts used to be bolt here, holding this whatever our original ones. Okay, so they got rust. They get too rusty, and I tried to unscrew it, and I snapped the bolt. Сейчас. So this is the bolt. I did something. Throw it in the garbage. Yeah. So there we go. So I snapped the bolt, and it was a nightmare. С телефоном я видео делаю. So I have to drill the hole through here, and I retread it, and man, so what I did on the other side, this one take me like hour to fix this mistake. So I did on the other side, I sprayed WD-40 in this hole, and go back and forward, and it's like 5-7 minutes later it came out. Just be careful with this, it's have lots of rust. Yeah, so that bracket, like couple bolts here, same thing like on the other side, and you have to kind of like go through this the hole and fit the washer in there. Shit. Zoom in. I kind of like screw it on, and there's another one in the other hole, but oh, this looks like on this side. Now this is harder side, the driver's side, because I have a bunch of lines, and plus this bracket over here, and they come with the spacer. So you gotta put the spacer right here, Okay, try to zoom in. Yeah, the spacers right here. And then other side goes on top of this bracket. So make sure, and this is comes with a longer bolt. So other one is on the other side, right there. This is the big bracket holder with this bolt. Yeah. This bolt, and like I said, I have to replace this guy. Oops. So and the third bolt there, not. It used to be bolt. So what else important? So yeah, if you doing this first time, easier to start from this side because there's not much stuff on the way. And when you do another side, you already have a clue how to put all these brackets together. Okay, and so yeah, and then I connect my lines. Comes with the kit too. I just run them here all the way through there, and I found a spot. This Ranger original hitch. They have actually holes here. One hole here and one there. I don't have to drill anything, so it's kind of like fits perfectly. I like it. So this is let's fit here and fit there. I don't have to drill anything, so I just pump it and that's it. I think, yeah, this is it, and this is a nice kit. I like it. It's cheap too. It's $190 at the Amazon, and it's good for I believe 1,800 pounds. So it should work good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope help somebody. And let's continue the bolts here. Oh, this big nut right here. You cannot go through this hole, so you kind of like have to reach through the back. There's a bigger hole to put this nut. So right behind us is there. So this is the bigger hole. You have to put the washer. I'm sorry, washer through this hole. And what I did with one hand, I grab a washer, like, and then I stick this washer in the hole, like through here. See my fingers there. And then I grab a magnet. I stick the washer with the magnet and move it right on inside the bolt. So this is kind of like tricky. And then I grab a magnet and put that nut and screw that nut on the bolt. So I think that's it. I hope. Yeah, this is all. This is it. This is all the important stuff I learned. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.